Hey guys, how you doing? Mr. Fix-It here with another video for you. So today we're going to be working on a Cub Cadet, and if you've seen in the title, we're going to be addressing the issue with the electronic PTO switches that usually start giving you problems where the blades will turn on and then it will shut off again, or will stop turning on at all. Or sometimes you have good days where it's running, and you have some days where it doesn't want to run, or run for a little bit and shuts off again. So stick around for the rest of the video. I'll show you what the problem is and how to fix it. Okay, so today's victim is going to be a Cub Cadet Super LT 1554, but pretty much any Cub Cadet with the electronic PTO switch and not the lever with the cable. You need to have the electronic clutch to engage your blades. And yeah, if you have the issues where your blades are not working properly, I'm going to show you what the issue is. So number one, you start having issue is with the actual switch. They tend to overheat and they stop working. And then the second issue is right here. So these have the electronic clutch, which is this guy down here. This is the wiring, and the wire harness, the grounding wire, actually goes through the switch, the PTO switch, and it also goes through this guy right here, this relay, which has this electrical tape sealing it. So when you start having the intermittent issue of coming on and off, or completely not doing anything, when your blades are completely done and they don't want to turn on at all, most likely is this guy right here. So it's pretty easy to get to, and then you just pull the relay out and replace it. So it's not a big deal. The switch itself is a little different. So here's the original one, and you have these four little clips which you'll have to basically squeeze to pull the switch out. But unfortunately, that's only the easy part. The hard part is that they have this pretty heavy duty clip on the back of it with these metal teeth that it goes through the switch, and these are actually digging into the switch itself. So it's yeah, pretty hard to get this one off, especially on this model, because everything is behind the battery. So you're gonna have to pull the battery and all that, so you get better access. But yeah, pulling this out, it's get yourself a pretty good size heavy duty screwdriver, like a flathead or one of these clip removing tools, and that will get the job done. But other than that, like I said, you just press these four clips in each corner and pull the switch out. So I already put the new switch in, but the other thing I was going to mention is, before you go ahead and order the new one, pull your old one out and see what the layout is of the prongs, because some PTO switches have a different wiring harness. So some of them have like 3 prongs here, 3 prongs here, 1 in the middle. So yeah, you want to order the right one. So that'd be a little tip to save you some headache. Pull the old one, check it out, make sure you're ordering the correct one. As far as the replacement, so I'm gonna put a link in the description below, basically for the tool and for the replacement switches that I use. So this is a upgraded switch. It's made by HD Switch. It's a 10 amp. I believe the original one is only 5. So yeah, this switch is basically an upgrade to the original one, and so is the relay that we're going to be putting in. So you see, it's a marine gray relay. It's also 10 amp, and it's waterproof sealed casing, compared to the original one, which is not sealed at all. And I'm going to show you what happens when they use a non-sealed relay. I've already had this one apart, so okay, just took the cover off, and yeah, here it is. You can see that's not pretty at all. It's all corroded, and it's pretty much done. So surprisingly, this PTO clutch still engages and disengages, but usually when the machine gets hot or if it's been raining, it'll start having issues. But yeah, so the upgrade is right here. It comes in a packet with also some grease to put on the prongs before you plug it in. But yeah, once you put the new 10 amp switch and the new 10 amp relay, you shouldn't have any more issues. So this is basically the fix and the biggest issue that I come across with these Cub Cadets. So I hope this was useful to you. I hope this will help you out, get your machine running. And if you did like my content, please hit the like and subscribe, notification bell, and drop a comment down below. Hope to see you soon.